Okay. So the screen that's facing the viewer is what becomes active, is that right? So we're
Correct.
and so I can then open it up. I think I've activated the camera, and then you got this 8-inch screen, and then you can fold it again, and so that becomes the active screen. And then you turn it over. There's the selfie mode. It's not going to work, that's okay. But then the button here, that is what you click to open it, to straighten it out. And you've got this massive screen. Very cool. I'll try the selfie.
I can go.
Yeah, so we have to
I just want to understand, because I'm a cameraman, I have a planning, made the interviews, and he says, you have interviews, not press conference. If I have press conference, I prepare with everything, the microphone, everything. I was not in the end of the...
No, we had a Q&A earlier, but it was...
I understand perfectly.
So we did that. I appreciate this is obviously not ideal for you, but yeah, this is...
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Such as this YouTube. This YouTube. So I think the experience is very good. You can see. Yeah, very good experience.
So can you straighten it a little, sir?
It won't open in the full screen.
Please welcome the President and CEO of the Consumer Technology
What if you fold
Association,
the phone while you're watching the video?
Okay, maybe I can fold it. Let's see. It automatically
screen.
into a
switches
small
screen.
display.
Yes.
So the application can automatically.
So if you turn it sideways now, will it go full screen?
Yeah, if I
If
open
you
it.
open it
No,
up,
that's not. Yeah,
go
yeah,
back.
yeah. Wow.
That's magic.
That's nice.
Yeah. So the application, I think that is very easy to adapt to the display.
So, is this a smartphone or is this a tablet? What is it?
Because we named it Mate X. It's still a lot of the imagination.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you see the video in the landscape orientation?
什么意思？
就说换的那个，就从切换成那个，
哦，
还有那个加速器。
这边吗？
对对对，这样现在有吗？
Oh, I think that still we need some software to because there's a lot of the details.
Yes.
I think it's much easier to do that, but the software maybe we need to optimize.
What?